The under $500 toilet category has more options than any other segment, but most of them look identical until you compare what drives the flush, what's included in the box, and what the seat height actually means for your household. This list covers 7 picks that are genuinely worth the money. Opening the list is the TOTO Drake, the toilet most consistently recommended for buyers who want proven flush performance without crossing into the luxury tier. This version of the Drake uses TOTO's Tornado Flush system, a hole-free rim with 2 angled nozzles that generate a centrifugal wash pattern across the bowl surface. That design carries waste through the trapway using momentum rather than relying on volume alone. The bowl carries Safety Ontect, TOTO's ultra-smooth ceramic glaze that prevents waste from adhering to ceramic between cleaning sessions. 1.28 gallons per flush, WaterSense certified, universal height, ADA compliant, right-hand chrome trip lever. In the under $500 category, no other product on this list matches the combination of editorial validation, independent flush technology, and real-world residential performance that the Drake delivers. For a homeowner who wants the most dependable toilet at this price point and is not interested in trading brand reputation for a lower sticker price, the TOTO Drake is where the research consistently lands. The Gerber Maxwell Crest is the lowest priced product on this list and the only one sold as a complete installation package. The box includes the 2-piece elongated toilet, a soft close seat, a wax ring, and mounting hardware. Every component a homeowner needs to get from box to finished installation without sourcing anything separately. 1.28 gallons per flush, WaterSense certified, ADA chair height. The Ready Set system means all included components are specified together, so compatibility between seat, wax ring, and bowl dimensions is guaranteed without guesswork. Gerber is not as widely discussed in consumer media as TOTO or Kohler, but Maxwell Crest buyers consistently cite the installation experience as the standout advantage, arriving on site with everything needed rather than discovering missing components mid-install. For a homeowner managing a DIY replacement who wants to order once and install without a second trip to the hardware store, the Gerber Maxwell Crest is the practical choice on this list. The Swiss Madison Sublime 2 in the round bowl configuration is the most reviewed toilet on this list by a significant margin. Over 800 verified buyers have rated this model across residential installations. It is a round-skirted one-piece design. The trapway runs in a clean, uninterrupted line from the bowl base to the floor, eliminating the external plumbing curves that accumulate residue in conventional 2-piece designs. Dual flush at 1.1 and 1.6 gallons per flush. The round bowl format reduces the projection of the toilet into the room relative to elongated designs, useful in smaller bathrooms or powder rooms where available clearance is limited. ADA-compliant glossy white finish. The skirted trapway also reduces the surface area that requires regular cleaning at the base of the toilet, a practical advantage over time. For a buyer who wants a modern one-piece with a proven residential purchase history in a compact round format, the Sublime 2 has the verification base to support the decision. The HOROW is a compact one-piece elongated toilet with an ADA chair height of 17.3 inches, and with over 900 verified buyer reviews, it has the largest review base in the budget tier on this list. The one-piece construction joins tank and bowl in a single continuous unit, eliminating the gasket joint where standard 2-piece designs develop leaks over time, and removing the surface gap that traps residue during cleaning. Dual flush at 1.1 and 1.6 gallons per flush. The compact footprint keeps overall depth shorter than a standard elongated 2-piece, making this toilet suitable for bathrooms where clearance behind the tank is limited. ADA chair height at 17.3 inches seats across a wide range of users without requiring an extra tall configuration. For a buyer who wants a reliable budget one-piece with ADA accessibility and the strongest real-world verification base in the entry tier, the HOROW's review count reflects a documented performance record. The Casta Diva one-piece at this price point carries something unusual at the sub-$250 tier: MAP 1000 gram certification. MAP 1000 grams is the maximum score issued by Independent Maximum Performance Testing, meaning this toilet consistently cleared 1,000 grams of simulated solid waste in standardized lab conditions. For a buyer choosing between similarly priced toilets, that independent certification documents flush performance in a way that product descriptions cannot replicate. This model features an ADA chair height of 17.5 inches, above the standard ADA threshold, with a dual flush cycle operating at 1.0 and 1.28 gallons per flush. The 1.0 gallons per flush partial cycle is among the lowest half-flush values available in this price tier. Elongated bowl, compact footprint, 12-inch rough-in. For a homeowner evaluating budget toilets who wants independent flush verification alongside low water consumption and accessible height without paying above entry pricing, the MAP certification makes the Casta Diva decision straightforward. The American Standard Cadet Pro Extra Tall is the one product on this list designed specifically around seat height rather than flush technology. The bowl sits at 19 inches, 2.5 inches above the standard ADA comfort height of 17 inches, and the tallest seat position available among all products on this list. That extra height changes the mechanics of daily use. For taller individuals, for homeowners managing joint or mobility limitations, or for households where standing from a standard height toilet requires more effort than it should, the 19-inch bowl height addresses the problem at the product level rather than through accessories or adaptations. Two-piece elongated construction, 1.28 gallons per flush, WaterSense certified. Note that this model does not include a seat. A compatible elongated seat needs to be purchased separately. For a homeowner whose primary criterion is long-term sitting and standing comfort, no other product under $300 on this list delivers what the Cadet Pro Extra Tall does. Closing the list is the Kohler Highline, the product here backed by the deepest residential service and support infrastructure in the United States plumbing market. The Kohler Highline uses Class 5 flushing technology, a large diameter canister flush valve that opens fully on actuation rather than relying on a rubber flapper seal. When the canister opens, the full tank volume discharges rapidly, delivering a stronger and more consistent flush wave than standard flapper valve gravity designs. 1.28 gallons per flush, WaterSense certified, comfort height, ADA compliant, elongated bowl, two-piece construction. For a homeowner whose purchasing decision includes the availability of Kohler authorized service centers, Kohler replacement parts through standard retail channels, and the long-term brand accountability that comes with a major United States plumbing manufacturer, the Highline is where that assurance becomes available in this price range. It is not the cheapest product on this list, and it is not the most technically distinctive. It is the toilet on this list backed by the most established brand and service infrastructure in the residential category. Those are 7 toilets under $500 for homeowners in 2026. From the Gerber Maxwell Crest's complete install kit at $233 to the Kohler Highline's Class 5 flush at $390. The right pick depends on what you're actually solving for: flush certification, installation convenience, extra height, or long-term brand reliability. Links to all 7 are in the description. If this guide helped, give the video a like and subscribe.